Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 5 of CMA final foreign exchange and risk management. This is the one of the most important illustration, but on the basis of this illustration you can't understand the concept which institutes want to make you understand. Okay, to understand the questions, the understand the concept, I am going to solve the similar questions which is in my concept classes. Okay, and in place of that I am going to the one another questions. Please read the questions. Okay, on the basis of this, to make you understand the concept of these questions, I am going to do the similar questions, because of in these questions there are various informations are lacking, or you can't understand the concept. Look at this is the questions in my concept class, and I'm going to make you understand the same things through these questions. Okay, please read the questions in the please read the questions here. Okay, question number 38. A person get interest free loan USA dollar 3 lakh. Repayment is to be done on 3 equal half yearly installment on the following rates. Today 6-month forward rate, at the end of 6 months this is a spot rate, and again 6-month forward rate, at the end of 1 year this is the spot rate, 6-month forward rate, at 1.5 year this. Find the amount has to be paid in a rupee in the following cases: no hedging, rupee rollover forward rate, 3 separate forward contract, one today, one after 6 months, and one after 1 year from today. Ignore the basic commissions. Okay beta, I am going to solve this question. Please look at it. One person get loan of $3 lakh, of $3 lakh, $3 lakh. This dollar the person have to pay 6 months. After 6 months, $1 lakh. After 1 year, $1 lakh. After 1.5 year, $1 lakh you have to pay. Okay, there are 3 options of payment. No hedging. No hedging means after 6 months you go in the market, and what is the rate prevailing, exchange rate between dollar and rupees, you purchase dollar on that exchange rate and pay. That is said to be no hedging. No your hedging, no your risk management is done. Okay, and the third case, in third case you are going to do 3 separate forward rate, 3 separate forward rate, 3 separate forward rate, no hedging. This is a 3 separate forward rate. 3 separate forward rate means today you enter for the purchase $1 lakh after 6 months. After 6 months you also enter into the purchase $1 lakh after 1 year, and in third you forward rate you entered. Okay, now in second, rupee rollover. Rupee rollover. Rupee rollover means first enter into 6-month forward rate to sell dollar, to buy $3 lakh. But after 6 months you have to pay just $1 lakh. In this case $2 lakh, excess $2 lakh is sold at a spot rate, Again you enter for the second payment, enter into the 6-month forward rate to buy $1 lakh. After 6 months you have to pay $1 lakh only, then sell $1 lakh at a spot rate. Out of the three option of payments, which one is the best? That option you have to evaluate. Okay. I am going to solve the questions. Answer of part first. First part. No hedging. Rupee required to pay for payment of $3 lakh. At the end of 6 months, end of 1 year, end of 1.5 year. Please try to understand. Here you are going to purchase $1 lakh, $1 lakh, $1 lakh at a spot rate. No hedging means you have not done any risk management tools. No hedging at a spot rate. Look at here. 6 month spot rate is this, and this rate is applied. At 1 year spot rate is this rate is applied. 1.5 year spot rate is this rate is applied. Okay. Here the rate is 43.10, 44.10. This is 45.10. Ultimately you have $1 lakh rupees 43.10 plus 44.10 plus 45.10, 1 lakh into rupees 132.30, rupees 1 crore 32 lakh 30,000. You have to pay rupees 1 crore 32 lakh 30,000 in the three options. Okay. Now in the second case, in a case second, third case, three separate forward contract. Three separate forward contract means, look at here, three separate forward contract. For this, today you enter into purchase $1 lakh at 6 month forward rate. At 6 month forward rate. Please try to understand. At 6 month forward rate, then 43.50 rate will be applicable. And this is the for today, 42.50. This is for 1 year, 43.50. And this is the 1.5 year, 44.60. First, today you enter into the purchase 6 month forward rate $1 lakh, that is 42.50. After 6 months, again you enter for next 6 month, purchase $1 lakh at 43.50, because of at the end of the 6 month, next 6 month is 1 year, this is a forward rate, and you have to purchase dollar, then bank will sell at higher rate. That's why this. At the end of the 1 year, again you entered into the next 6 month, purchase dollar 1 lakh at the rate of 44.60. Then this rate is applied for first payment, this rate is applied for the second payment, this rate is applied for the third payment. Look at here. Dollar, 3 separate forward. At the first payment, dollar 1 lakh is purchased, 42.50. At the second payment, again 6 month forward rate, dollar 1 lakh is purchased, is 43.50. At the end of third payment, dollar 1 lakh is purchased into 44.60. Ultimately, net rupees required to pay dollar 1 lakh into rupees 42.50, 43.50, 44.60. dollar 1 lakh rupees 130.60, that is rupees 1,30,60,000. This is the 3 separate forward contract. If you enter the 3 separate forward contract, in this case you will have to pay this much amount. Okay, now I am going to make you understand rupee rollover. That is the most important part here. Considering rupee rollover, this concept CMA Institutes wants to make you understand. Please try to understand. You have to pay in place of dollar 3 lakh, you have to pay after 6 months dollar 1 lakh, next 6 months dollar 1 lakh, next 6 months dollar 1 lakh. Okay, in this case, at the first 6 months you enter into first payment. Please try to understand. Enter into 6 month purchase, 6 month forward purchase, 6 month forward purchase dollar 3 lakh at the rate of rupees 42.50. But at the end of the 6 month you have to pay dollar 1 lakh only, at the end of 6 month company have to pay dollar 1 lakh only. In this case, excess rupees $2 lakh you sold at a spot rate. Excess dollar 2 lakh is sold at a spot rate rupees. What is a spot rate? Please try to understand here. In this case, you enter today for 6 month forward rate. This is a 6 month forward rate to purchase dollar this. At the end of 6 month, a spot rate is this. At the end of 6 month, you have to pay 1 lakh only, but you purchase 3 lakhs. Excess 2 lakh is sale at a spot rate. Sale at a spot rate 43, at the rate of 43. Okay, rupees 43. Net payment $3 lakh you purchase, 42.50. $2 lakh you sold, 43. Again, at the end of 6 month, again at the end of 6 month, after first payment, out of 3 lakh you had paid $1 lakh. Balance you have to pay $2 lakh. Enter into the 6 month forward contract. Enter into 6 month forward contract to buy $2 lakh at a spot rate. Sorry. At 6 month forward rate. 6 month forward rate, and we have to pay $1 lakh only. Then balance $1 lakh is sold at a spot rate of 1 year. After 1 year, what is the spot rate? Then what is the forward rate you have? Please try to understand. In this case, end of 6 month, 6 month forward rate, that is the 43.50. 1 year spot rate at the end of 6 month. Next 6 month, 1 year, this is a 1 year spot rate is 44. So this is, you will buy this 43.5 and sell 44. $43.50 per dollar, rupees 44 in this case. 44. Net rupees payment. In this case, what will happen? $2 lakh you will buy at the rate of rupees 43.50. $1 lakh is sold at the rate of rupees 44. For third payment, enter into 6 month forward, purchase $1 lakh, because of out of 3 lakh 2 lakh already you had paid, and last amount $1 lakh at the rate of 6 month forward rate rupees 44.60 for dollar. The net payment in this case $1 lakh 44.60. Okay, net rupee required to pay net rupees required to pay as per rupee rollover. As per rupee rollover, first payment $3 lakh 42.50 minus 2 lakh 43. Second payment $2 lakh into 43.50 minus 1 lakh 44. Third payment $1 lakh into 44.60 41 lakh 50,000 rupees 43 lakhs 44 lakh 60,000. Total rupee payment in place of $3 lakh be 1,29 lakh 10,000, and 1,29 lakh 10,000 is the lowest, and rupee rollover is the best alternative for payment. Okay, because of 1,29 lakh है यहाँ पे. Here this is in the forward rate 1,30,000, 3 separate forward rate and no hedging 1,32,000. Rupee rollover is the best alternative of payment. Rupee rollover is best alternative of payment. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Okay, thank you class beta.